Hello, today we will guide you through how to return items to Zara. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can confidently start a return right from the Zara app. Before you begin, make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in with the same account you used for the purchase. Having your device updated and the latest version of the Zara app installed can also prevent small glitches and help the screens match what you see here. Start by opening the Zara app on your device. Give it a moment to load your home screen. If the app has been idle for a while, it might prompt you to reconnect. Go ahead and confirm your login if needed. It's helpful to allow the app a moment to sync, especially if you placed your order recently. This ensures your most up-to-date orders appear when you proceed to the next steps. From the home screen, look to the bottom navigation bar and tap Account in the lower right. This tab is where Zara keeps everything related to your profile, addresses, payment options, and, most importantly for today, your order history. If you don't immediately see the account label, the icon may look like a small person or profile silhouette. If the layout looks different, don't worry. Designs vary slightly by region, but the account area will be in the bottom menu. Inside the account area, tap on Purchase. This section is where your orders live. Depending on your app version, it may be labeled Purchases or Orders, but it serves the same purpose. Here you'll see a list of your recent orders with thumbnails, dates, and current status. If you have many orders, scroll to find the one you want. If an order isn't showing up, pull down to refresh the page and double-check that you're logged into the correct account you used at checkout. On the Purchases screen, all your purchased items are displayed, and this is where you start your return. Open the order that includes the item you want to send back and look for the Return or Return Items option. The app will guide you through the on-screen prompts. Before you proceed, confirm the item is within the return window and in original condition with tags, as this affects eligibility. Follow the prompts carefully, review the summary, and confirm your request. After you submit, you'll receive an in-app confirmation and, in many cases, a follow-up notification with details about next steps. You can check back in purchases at any time to monitor the status of your return and refund once it's processed. That's it. Quick, clear, and all handled from your account and purchases tabs.